A compound microscope is a microscope. A compound microscope is a microscope that uses two or more two or more two or more lenses magnify magnify objects is called compound microscope. Okay, light passes through a sample, then the objective lens which is close to the sample and and the islands which are in eyepiece. Okay, that is compound microscope. The total magnifying power is equal to the product of the magnification of object and magnification of product of magnification of object and magnification of island. That is m is equal to total, that is total magnification. M is equal to m0 into me. Then magnifying power, m is equal to the ratio of angle sustained by the virtual image. Okay, I by the virtual image to the angle of I by the to the angle I by the object. That is called magnification power. Okay, we have to write in this way. Then that is tan alpha, tan beta divided by tan alpha. Tan beta, beta is equal, beta means image to eye. Angle which is angle beta is, that is image to eye and object to eye is alpha. Then from this a dash b dash divided by a dash o dash is equal to a dash b dash divided by a dash o is equal to a dash b dash divided by u. Okay, then magnification power, image height of image divided by height of object. Okay, then v by u. Okay, then tan beta is equal to v0 a dash divided by a dash minus a dash b dash divided by ab is equal to v by minus u. Minus will be cancelled. Then a dash b dash divided by ab is equal to v by u. This implies that a dash b dash is equal to v0 by u0. Okay, v0 by u0, that is v0 by u0. A dash b dash is equal to v0 u0 into ab. ab is equal to, we know ab is equal to h0, that is offset length. Okay, then ab is equal to, we put the value of ab in this, a dash b dash is equal to v0 by u0 into h0. Okay, then we put a dash b dash in this magnifying power. Then a dash b dash m is equal to, okay, step by step we have write step by step. M is equal to a dash b dash divided by ue. Okay, then a dash b dash, we know the value of ue, a dash b dash V0 divided by U0, V0 divided by U0 into H0 by UE. Okay, then M is equal to V0 by U0, okay, into H0 by UE divided by alpha. Alpha is distinct division, okay, that is this is here I, okay, with the from we see the then that is this angle is alpha, that is H0 and distinct division, okay, D, then H0 by D, then this implies that V0 by U0 into H0 by UE into D by H0. H0 will be cancelled, then M is equal to, okay, M is equal to V0 U0 into D by UE. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, then what we will do? Then we do first case. The image is formed in distinct division, least distinct division. Image formed in least distinct division, least distinct division. Okay, least distinct division. Okay, then that is M. We know M is equal to M into M0, M0 into ME. Okay, then M is equal to V0 divided by U0 into 1 plus D by F of E. Focal length of eyepiece. Then normal adjustment, case number 2, that is normal adjustment. Normal adjustment means normal adjustment. In normal adjustment, okay, what we will do? In normal adjustment, V0 by U0, okay, V0 by U0 into D by F of E, that the M is equal to V0 by U0 into D by F of E. Okay, this is in normal adjustment. This is we get, this is least distinct division. This is the equation for image formed at least distinct division, that is V0 by U0 into 1 plus D by Fe, and normal adjustment M equal to V0 U0 into D by Fe. We have to write what is a compound microscope. Compound microscope is a microscope that uses 2 or more lenses magnify objects. Okay, you have to write in this way. First you have to draw this line, then you draw the parallel line, then this is at this point, and all over this compound microscope. Thank you.